Public Health Ambassadors Uganda is very honored today to host the second Public Health Youth Symposium, and this time we are focusing on the demographic dividends and investment in Ugandan youths.
These gatherings are important. There are many gatherings, but it's important to find one that is very practical and actionable. And I think this one has achieved this objective to share information and to inspire young people.
Protect yourself.
Today's symposium has been such a wonderful occasion, very excellently organized. And one of the things that has been excellent is the way you brought out the young people with disabilities, and we call them young people with different abilities. That was so nice. Having their challenges in accessing sexual reproductive health services and their experience overall was awesome for me.
A very clear focus on ensuring that we don't leave persons with disability in this country behind. That has been very important to me today, and having somebody representing that category of young people in this country speaking to us on what we must do to ensure that they are part of the sustainable development that we are talking about.
The demographic dividends is something that we are very passionate about as an organization, and that's why we sought to make this year's Public Health Symposium about it. And we are very, very grateful that we at least have had a conversation about different issues affecting young people.
Demographic dividend itself was a kind of a mystery to me, and I was glad the first time I was introduced to the topic, I had to go ahead and understand what it really means, and I realized it is something very interesting. As much as we are very many youth in the country, we still have very many of us unemployed. I loved one of the speakers saying most of the youth are unemployed because they are unemployable.
We've clearly seen different participants highlight what must be done by this country to be able to harness the demographic dividend.
When a young tree matures, it disperses seed so that the continuity of its kind of breed is ensured. See, without these young trees, the forest's days are collectively numbered like 1, 2, 3. Now these young trees are actually him, her, you, and me.
In the next symposium, what I suggest is that you make a conscious effort to get more participants from far away. And that is far away in the social hierarchy, but also far away geographically.
We have 88% of Ugandans out there. So we need to find a way of having symposiums at regional levels.
For the next year's symposium, I think we should have more youth on board, more youth on the panels, because this is a youth symposium, so we need to have more ideas from the youth.